Hey, my fellow explorers. I'm Bianca, curious soul on a mission to unpack the world's most incredible destinations, from amazing food, awesome cruises, to ancient cultures. I'm here to show you the real, raw, and remarkable sides of travel. Whether you're planning your next trip or just love discovering new places, welcome to my Unpack journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. All right, Unpack fam, it is room tour time. We are on deck 8, Stateroom 528. It is a balcony. It's a 4D category, I believe. I may be mistaken, but I can definitely let you know later. So anybody that's planning to come to Odyssey, if you are in 528, this will definitely be your room. Right to the left, I'm assuming this is the bathroom. Oh, I like this bathroom. I do not like the shower curtain. I feel like they get stuck to your body, but this does not have a shower curtain. That's amazing. Pretty sized bathroom. I do feel like the Adventure of the Seas bathroom was a tad bit bigger, but this is a whole lot nicer. Alright, then we have a closet here. Definitely will be mine, as I have so much stuff. We have a couch. This couch actually pulls out as a bed. Right next to that is another closet. That's our stuff, safe, all the things. We have 2 drawers right there. On the right side is the dresser, lamp. Sure, this is not a mini fridge, but a cooler. Right next to that, we have the vanity and desk area. I'll be editing here, doing my makeup here. Also, my hair. Hi. Right next to that, back at the door, we have a full-length mirror. Go straight back. We do have our bed. Something that I like about cruises is I like my bed to be by the balcony door with the curtains open, balcony closed, and just laying down on the seat and just seeing yourself pass through. It just does something to me. Right by the bed, we have the TV. Also, you have the cubby here to be able to put things here. On the side of the bed, it is a phone and a lamp. I did a little research and they have a charger port right here. So if you forget your charger base, definitely have a USB charger outlet there. What do you use? Let's see how this. Oh well. We have, up top, we have another blanket yeah, that's a blanket. That was a bed. A mattress cover. And space. So this is very, very, very spacious. Very spacious. Oh, something that I noticed is it's an outlet plug here with a light that turns the light off. That's over top of the bed. But on this side, it isn't one. Alright. Next is the balcony. I think the favorite thing of the whole room. Nice ass balcony. We have chairs that extend out to be loungers, which is always a plus. This is a nice size balcony. Let me step back. This is a nice size balcony, especially for 2 people. This is our amazing view. We're currently in Rome.